Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted emails in your Gmail account. Now, before I do this, I want to mention one important information is that when you delete emails, they are only stored in your trash for 30 days and then they'll be deleted forever. So if you're looking for emails older than 30 days, this is not possible. No, if they're less than 30 days, you want to follow these steps. So once you're here, you want to open up your trash, guys. And in order to find your trash, just simply look towards the left hand side. You'll find a more option. It's a drop down. You click on that and it's going to expand more options for you. Then you want to click on trash. And here you'll find your emails. Now you can find those emails that you want to restore. Now, in order to restore this email, I can simply click on it to select it, right click on that, and you have the option to restore it. And to restore it, you simply want to look for the option that says move to inbox. You click on that and the email will be moved to inbox. If you want to restore all those emails that you have in your deleted bin or your recycle bin, you can simply go ahead and click all of them and you will have to find the option here, right? So in order to do that, you want to go ahead and find where it says move to. You click in this button here and you can choose to move to inbox. Now, once you do that, you will have all of those email moved to your inbox afterwards. And that's how you will restore all of those emails back to your inbox. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.